patent, that we are going to file only the ordinary patent. Ordinary is only we are going to file within an India. So in that cases we have filed. Here we can write as a name of the applicant and address, and which is the country, which country we belong, and which is our nationality. Okay. Suppose we have any extra other applicant. This is the of who is filing the patent applicant, and other applicant also can file here like other, same thing like natural person. Whichever the mandatory fields, you kindly please fill that. And here I'll just write their mail ID should be there, because of that mode of communication is compulsory of filing, for filing the patent. Simply I have typed here. So what I do is, okay, and this is only for this purpose, I mean for example purpose. If you want to remove, if you have done any mistake or something, you may also remove this. And here you can see this add multiple article, means like if you have any subdivision also you can file. So here you can file what is your article name, and here it is a tool we have seen. This is a class, right? Class. For example, I'll take the screwdrivers. So in this class ID is 8 and subclass is class, and sub A4 is a subclass. So I'll do this, I'll add this. Simply I'll write something. Okay. Okay, now it has been added. So here you have to file what type of applicant type. We are a natural person because I'm filing under individual. If you are as an individual person, so if we have been filing for the small entities or the organization, we have to go for the small entity, or else if you have startups, you can go for the startups. So here we have seen this class and subclass. Article classes 8, under subclasses 4, right? Whatever we have seen. So here again the same thing. Here we'll type the mode of communication. Here the email ID should be correct. Once we do this, it will automatically save your application. So once we save, we have to upload the documents. So for this uploading, I'll show you the drafted already one I have done. Like I have done for replying. Once you do this, you will get the preview of the application. I mean, you can directly upload it. When you upload it, you can see here view the documents. Like this is like amendment. Whatever I got a reply from that for FER copy, that I have replied. So I'll show this one. This is a sheet. Here you can see what are the documents we have applied here. Okay, so this represent sheet is there, and then form 1, and then reply to whatever the comments has been come, I have replied. So first time will not get anything like this. So once you do this, it automatically take to your signing. I mean sign the application. So here you will get this e-signing thing. If you click it, automatically it will route to your website for this filing, this e-filing. So here what I do is I'll show you this. Suppose if you have filed a patent, I'll go to this home. And if you are not, if you have done, when you're doing the payment or submission, if there is any mistake has been done, so automatically it will go with the for the pending transactions. So here you can if the payment is not successful, you can take that pay. You no need to file the new patent. Automatically it will come under the pending transaction. That file will be from there. Automatically you can check that. So and if you have done the file the patent, and if we don't know that how to, we are not get that e-filing bill, e-filing form. So receipt, So in that cases, you can see in the form, I mean payment and submission of download CBR. We can here you will have the duplicate CBR, which is already filled. I'll take something. So if we can be able to print also. So when you done the full fee, payment of this transaction, so you can see like this, like what has been done for the here is the your patent application number. So this is what the form you get it here. And this is what if you have any, I mean first time for filing, this is okay, fine, you can go for the form 1 and you can start filing the application. Suppose if you want to go, if you are got the FER reply and you want to got the comments from the controller and you want to reply for that, for in that cases what you have to do is you have to go for reply for the same thing, same tab. Here you can see the miscellaneous form and you can click here on miscellaneous, and here you can see the reply for the FER. So here for which FER going to reply. So in that cases you can file, for example, I don't let's see any FER is there, FER copy. Okay, 448922. Okay. Okay, I think it has been lapsed, like I have not submitted. It's not submitted already. I have submitted that copy. And okay, fine. If you want to reply for here FER, you have to give your design register number. Once you get register number, it will show that whatever the details has been automatically filed. So that details you will get it, and directly again the same process, like you have to prepare your reply to the FER amendments, whatever the comments you have got. And next is like how to, I mean what are form 1, again the sheet you have to fill the form and then represent the sheet. So all this thing, the same procedure how we have seen for the form filing the initial time, the same process will be carried out. Only the thing, major thing is like you have to check only the reply for FER copies that you have to attach it. So that thing is there. So this is what the process actually. Whatever is lapsed is not lapsed. Already I have filed that patent. Maybe because of it is there in the drafted forms, it is showing like that. So once you have checked this patent has been filed, you will get the details with the application number. So in that cases, what I do is I'll type that number. So for checking the status, I'll sign out this. For checking the status, what we do is we'll take this itself, I mean this one 474. For that again we'll come here the same website. For this we'll go for the status of design. So here we'll check the status and I'll type the same number. We'll capture E3R77. Okay. You can see this, like this has been design patent has been published, obviously it is published, and which journal has been, so this last year has been published 50 to 25 in journal number. So journal date, I mean which last year, I mean because 2 months back only it has been got published. So in that you will get the design, what is the status of your application, you can see here. So whatever I have shown is like I have shown only the sample thing. This is how we file the patent. I'll recap it, like for filing this, you can go for the e-filing design. Automatically, it will do to this website. I mean, I have closed it. Okay. It will take to you to the filing e-patent design. So from there you can process it, and for filing this, once you filed it, while filing you have to give the representative sheet form 1, and it has to be signed with the signature. And once you filed it, and if you want to check the status, again we go for the design status application. So test status bar is there to check it. Once wherever you get the publish, so once it gets published, automatically you'll get an notification from this IPR office that your patent has been published. Like, so that thing will be there. So this is how we go for the design patent application of filing. So thanks for watching.